Bogliasco is a quaint and picturesque coastal village nestled in the Liguria region of Italy, located just a short distance from the bustling city of Genoa. Situated along the Ligurian Riviera, this charming village offers visitors an authentic experience of Italy's coastal beauty, steeped in history and culture. The village is renowned for its stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea, its narrow cobblestone streets, and the vibrancy of its colorful buildings, which add to the overall charm and allure of the area. Bogliasco's peaceful atmosphere makes it a perfect retreat for those looking to escape the more tourist-heavy destinations along the Italian Riviera. One of the most captivating aspects of Bogliasco is its historical roots, which stretch back to ancient times. The village was originally a small fishing settlement, and much of its early development can be traced to its proximity to the sea. Over the centuries, Bogliasco has managed to retain much of its old-world charm, with traditional Ligurian architecture that reflects its rich history. Narrow alleys wind through the village, lined with centuries-old buildings that showcase the historical significance of this seaside village. The presence of numerous churches and chapels throughout the village highlights the role of religion in the community's past, adding to the spiritual atmosphere that permeates Bogliasco. One of the most significant landmarks in the village is the Church of San Bernardo, an ancient structure that has been at the heart of Bogliasco for centuries. This church, with its simple yet elegant design, serves as a testament to the religious history of the village and as a central gathering point for the local community. The church's picturesque setting, perched above the sea, provides visitors with a serene and peaceful atmosphere, offering a perfect spot for reflection. The church's serene beauty complements the village's overall tranquil environment, where life moves at a slower pace. The Mediterranean climate of Bogliasco adds to the allure of the village, making it an ideal destination throughout the year. The mild temperatures of the region allow visitors to enjoy the outdoors, whether it's hiking along the coastal paths, relaxing on the small beaches, or simply strolling through the village's charming streets. The surrounding hills provide a stunning backdrop to the village, with lush greenery and vibrant flowers dotting the landscape. The natural beauty of the area, with its panoramic views of the sea, makes Bogliasco a haven for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. In spring and summer, the village is alive with colorful blooms, while in autumn, the changing leaves add a different dimension to the scenery. Bogliasco's artistic and cultural heritage has attracted numerous artists and writers over the years. The village's beauty and peaceful atmosphere have inspired countless works of art, and it continues to be a destination for creative minds seeking inspiration. The scenic vistas, with the sun setting over the Ligurian Sea and the surrounding hills, provide the perfect setting for painters and photographers, while the village's slow-paced life offers the ideal environment for writers. The village also hosts occasional cultural events, such as art exhibitions, local music performances, and theater productions, allowing visitors to experience the creativity that flows through the community. The village is home to a thriving culinary tradition, with a focus on fresh seafood and locally sourced ingredients. Ligurian cuisine is known for its simple, flavorful dishes, and Bogliasco is no exception. Visitors can enjoy local specialties such as focaccia, a delicious flatbread topped with olive oil and salt, trofie al pesto, pasta served with the region's famous basil pesto, and frittata di pesce, fried seafood. The local restaurants offer an authentic dining experience, where guests can enjoy freshly prepared meals while overlooking the sea. The use of local produce and seafood ensures that every meal is a true taste of the region's culinary traditions. Bogliasco also offers visitors a chance to enjoy a variety of outdoor activities, thanks to its location along the Ligurian coast. The village is a popular starting point for hiking and walking enthusiasts, with numerous trails that wind through the hills and offer breathtaking views of the sea below. These trails range from easy walks to more challenging hikes, allowing people of all levels to explore the stunning natural surroundings. For those who prefer water-based activities, the clear waters of the Mediterranean are perfect for swimming, kayaking, and snorkeling. The village's small beaches offer a quiet and relaxing place to enjoy the sea, making it a great destination for those seeking both relaxation and adventure. Another fascinating aspect of Bogliasco is its close-knit community. Despite being a small village, it has a vibrant and welcoming local population that takes great pride in its heritage and traditions. The village is far removed from the large tourist crowds found in more popular destinations, offering visitors a chance to experience the warmth and hospitality of the locals. Residents are often seen engaging in daily life on the streets, at the local cafes, or in the village's piazzas, creating a sense of community that is palpable. This intimate environment is part of what makes Bogliasco so special, as it provides a genuine glimpse into the life of a Ligurian village. In terms of architecture, the buildings of Bogliasco are another standout feature. The village is a blend of traditional Ligurian-style houses, characterized by their pastel-colored facades and terracotta roofs. Many of the buildings are adorned with plants, flowers, and wrought iron balconies, adding to the picturesque charm of the area. The town's narrow streets and alleys, with their cobblestones and small steps, led visitors through the village in a way that allows them to fully appreciate the local architecture and the beauty of the surroundings. The buildings are often arranged in a way that maximizes the views of the sea, making the village even more enchanting. Bogliasco's fishing heritage continues to play a significant role in the village's identity. Fishing has been an essential part of life in the village for centuries, and many of the locals still rely on the sea for their livelihoods. The harbor, with its colorful boats bobbing in the water, is a symbol of this enduring connection to the sea. Visitors can learn about the local fishing traditions by talking to fishermen in the harbor or visiting the small fish market where fresh catches are sold. This connection to the sea is an integral part of Bogliasco's charm and provides a unique experience for those interested in local traditions. Bogliasco's proximity to other Ligurian attractions also makes it a great base for exploring the region. The nearby city of Genoa, with its rich history and stunning architecture, is just a short drive away. Visitors can explore the famous Genoa Aquarium, wander through the historic center of the city, or visit the stunning Palazzo Ducale. The nearby Cinque Terre National Park is another popular destination, known for its colorful villages perched on cliffs above the sea. The easy access to these attractions allows visitors to enjoy the quiet charm of Bogliasco while also exploring the broader Ligurian coast. Finally, the relaxing atmosphere of Bogliasco makes it an ideal place for those looking to escape the stress of modern life. The village is far removed from the noise and hustle of larger cities, offering a peaceful retreat for those in need of rest and rejuvenation. Whether it's spending the day on the beach, enjoying a leisurely meal at a local restaurant, or simply walking through the charming streets, visitors can unwind and embrace the slower pace of life that defines this beautiful coastal village. Bogliasco's serene environment, combined with its stunning natural surroundings and rich cultural heritage, makes it a truly special destination. In conclusion, Bogliasco is a hidden gem on the Ligurian Riviera that offers visitors a perfect blend of natural beauty, history, and local culture. The village's charming streets, stunning views, and welcoming community make it an unforgettable destination for anyone seeking a peaceful escape. Whether exploring the history of the area, enjoying the local cuisine, or simply relaxing by the sea, Bogliasco offers a unique and authentic experience that captures the essence of coastal Italy.